Okay, welcome to another video by myself, Mr. Imran Iqbal, on I can calculate 25% off in 3 minutes. Okay, let's get started without any further delay. So what is 25%? So when we say 25%, what we are saying is this. Here's our 25. The per means divide, and the cent is short for 100. So it's 25 per 100. Or 25 over 100, I see there. Now, once we understand what 25% is as a fraction, we can cancel it down. So let's grab a different color. So 25 divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. So if you're working out 25 parts per 100, you're actually working out a quarter. So every time you see a sale, it says 25% off. That means a quarter of the price has been removed. So you have to think, how do I work out this quarter? How do I work out this 25%? To work out a quarter, we divide by 4. As I told you before, we're going to show you really easy tips and methods on how to work out these questions. Easy peasy. So if I want to work out 25% of 400, I simply divide it by 4. Bus stop. Everybody knows how to do bus stop. How many 4s in 4? 1. How many 4s in 0? 0. How many 4s in 0? 0. So if you were buying a £400 TV on Curry's and it said 25% off, so you would save £100 and the TV would only cost you 300. Okay, next we have a train ticket, costs £64. You want to work out, you got having a savings of 25% savings, so we want to divide it by 4. 25% means divide by 4. 4s in 6 is 1, remainder 2. 4s in 24 will give you 6. So if you had a £64 rail ticket, you would save £16, which is a quarter of it. Okay, I'm going to do 2 more questions. I'm going to pause. I'm going to give you a chance to do the rest of the questions. Then I'll give you all the answers. That's going to be the format. So it gives you the opportunity to practice the method at home for yourself, free of charge. Okay, let's do it. So we have the next one. We want to work out, say, it's 25% of 300 kilograms. So 25% is a quarter. Quarter means divided by 4. How many 4s in 3 is nothing. When 4 doesn't go into the 3, the whole 3 becomes the remainder. So how many 4s go into 30? Your 4 times table. 4 times by 7 is 28. We have 2 left over. How many 4s in 20 is 5. Okay, so if you wanted to work out 25% of 300 kilograms, that's 75 kilograms. Next one, I want to work out 25% of 888. 25% is a quarter divided by 4. How many 4s in 8 is 2? And it's going to be 2 each time. And we've done the first 4 questions, giving you a nice, lovely method now. What I would like you to do now is, you have got 1, 2, 3, you got 10 questions left. I want you to try the 10 questions. Pause the video now. And when you press play, I will give you all the answers. Okay, so you have a go. Screenshot it, freeze it, do the questions, practice it, and then check the answers in a bit. Okay, 3, 2, 1, pause. Okay, welcome back. Right, super. The answers for the questions that you've just done are in blue. I'm gonna make them nice and big. And that's the end of the video. I told you learn it in less than 3 minutes. Fantastic. You guys are doing really good. We've got another video coming up after this, calculating 50%. And then we're going to move on to other more advanced questions in the next video. Enjoy. If you're loving it, please share it with your friends and family. Remember, if you want to see much more content like this, head over to Imran Iqbal 1-to-1 Tutor on YouTube. See you there. Keep on learning, keep on smashing it.